Lynn from Blushing Plants, and today I'm gonna do a little flip through with my Stalogy A6. I started this last year in May 2019. So happy New Year, everyone! And I actually started off strong, just a little bit, and then I did it sporadically. I stopped planning in it for a little bit until September and planned a little bit again, and then I didn't really plan it until maybe December full on, and then I'm still planning in it. So hopefully I will finish up the book before the end of the year with all the weeks planned up. I'm already halfway through it, so I don't know if I will have another strategy after this. I do like planning in it, and I just wanted to let you know that most of the layouts here are inspired by X on Mama Plans. I was watching her videos when she had a strategy, and she actually inspired me to get a strategy, which is why I have one, and I really do like planning it. And she does, if you want to see more strategy videos, go check out her old strategy videos. She doesn't have a strategy anymore. She switched to rings, but her old strategy videos are really amazing. You should check out her videos. So let's go ahead and start. This reserve card here is actually from my daughter's birthday party. It's my cousin made that on, what is that called? What? Oh, I can't remember. Photoshop? Adobe Photoshop, I think. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. I'm an old lady. I don't know what anything's called. But this little wonton in a million is from that Michael's collab. And the Keys to Happiness card is from Nicole Hush Designs. This is a freebie from the Coffee Monster Co's Facebook group. And this is my first spread. It was done on May 9th, Thursday to Friday. These stickers right here are from the Happy Planner. These full boxes are from Pen and Gear. The sticker is from X on Mama Plans, and everything else is pretty much leftover stickers. And that's how I started it. I got maybe full boxes from like these. This is from the Happy Planner, but everything else is pretty much like leftover stickers, and that's how I pretty much decorated. It was pretty much just getting a full box from a book or something, but everything else was leftovers. And then I got, just use the deco stickers, but all the other boxes and stuff were leftovers. But the washi is from the Unicorn Planner, and no, this washi was from Recollection, and this washi was from, what is this one? I think this is 1,000,000,000. So this full box was from, is actually paper that I punched out with the Happy Planner box cutter. Is that what it's called? The one that they punch out to the specifications of the boxes in the planner. So I use that, and I pretty much use that for the entire week, along with some leftovers. And this washi is from Recollections, and this Aloha Friday is all from X on Mama Plans. It's pretty much where I get all my Aloha Friday stickers. And I was sick this weekend, so this is Memorial Day, no school. And this one, this full box, I actually used, that full box was a leftover from Sweet Tea Plans. These were leftovers from a big washi, bottom washi from Sweet Tea Plans, and these were full boxes from Joanne Fabrics. So these are papers, and the rest are leftovers. And this is when I got lazy and didn't finish it, and then I didn't plan again until September. So, and here is, this is a full box. I just got the sheet of full boxes from Busy Planning because I really liked it. It was like a sheet of orchids, and then the rest are leftovers. This was a leftover from Sweet Tea Plans, Oh, and this is a sticker from Kina Prints. And here is the busy planning, the leftovers, and this is a sticker from, I think this is Target, and this Coffee Monster's cool. Her name is Savvy. Am I going too fast? Tell me in my comments if I talk too fast or I talk too slow or whatever. I'm trying to like improve my videos. Oh, and this is October. This is a freebie from Paper Shadow's Facebook. And this section here are all from Happy Planners. Not all. This, I don't know where that washi's from. I think this was from a washi from Happy Planner, but these two are from Happy Planners. This I think is from Color Story or Quote Boxes. I don't know. It's from Happy Planner though, but this is the from the colorful boxes. Again, colorful boxes. This is another taco sticker from Target, and this is from Paper Shatter. Yeah, Happy Planner, Happy Planner, Happy Planner, Happy Planner. Sweet Ava's paper, Sweet Sticker Co. Sweet Salt Sticker Co. And this is Happy Planner, Happy Planner. Happy Planner, Sweet Ava's paper. Most of this is Happy Planner, Happy Daya, Sweet Ava's paper. Plan to be Fab. This is from the sticker from Pipsticks. Every Minute's a Story. This is Hey Soul sticker, Busy Planning, Little Dream Shop, the Coffee Monster's Co. And these two are from Happy Daya. I got this. This whole month here is pretty much October, but I'm sorry, that was my husband. He called right in the middle of filming, and I'm filming on my phone. So I don't really know where I ended. Anyways, I know my dogs are barking. Oh my god, what is going on? I think I said this was from the Coffee Monsters Co. And oh yeah, I was saying that these two are from Happy Daya. I got this October's calendar after I had been planning this, and this is pretty much where I ended on October. So I just put it here, and then I put November here because I got a sticker for November, but I ended up not planning for November. I just went straight to December where I actually started planning, but I didn't start planning until the 2nd of December. Totally skipped the 1st of December because Monday started on the 2nd, and that's when I wanted to use my sticker kit. And this is when the first time I actually used a full sticker kit, and this sticker kit is from Sweet Tea Plans. I didn't have like a full thing to put on this page, so I just filled it up with a sticker from the Happy Planner. This sticker is from Little Red Prints, but this right here, they're all from Sweet Tea Plants, and this is from Happy Daya. So this one I actually oh, this is from Paper Shard. It's one of my favorite stickers. And so I actually wrote down what I did. This is all memory keeping, so that's why it looks less messy than my other spreads where I was like, this one was pre-planning and then I like canceled a lot and stuff. So this was all memory keeping. I already done all this stuff and then I just put it back down here. So this was like much neater and stuff. And let's see. And this kit was from Little Red Prints. I got this kit. This was the first Christmas kit that I got. That was Little Red Prints. This one here was a leftover from last year. I just needed to fill up that space on the bottom. This is from Elena Makes. This Sweet Salt sticker code. This was a leftover from last year. This is a leftover from last year. That's from Alina Mix. And this is right here. This is my end of week. So this one I actually didn't do anything all day. I wasn't feeling good. And this kit right here, I just pretty much just had full boxes and half boxes for this week right here. The full boxes and the half boxes were from Danny Fate. I got that in a giveaway. And then the rest of the stickers are pretty much leftovers. This is a leftover. The check boxes were leftovers. And I actually like how it came out. I was very lucky to have check boxes that match and other stickers. And this week I got the full boxes from Busy Planning, and the check boxes were also leftovers. And so that's how that came out. And I guess I have so many leftovers that they tend to match a lot of the full boxes I end up buying. And this week is pretty much the last week of December, the last week of the year. And I also have the first week of the year in here also. I'll just go through that real quick. And these boxes, check boxes, were from Nicole Hush Designs. I actually got the second sheet of from the full box of the Every Minute's a Story, but I ended up losing it when I went to continue planning it. So I ended up having to use my own boxes from leftovers to finish the spread. And I guess I had enough for this spread and I used that. But then I ran out of the other check boxes from here, and I had to use these check boxes. And then I pretty much ran out of things to write down. So that's pretty much from the last week to the first week. So that's pretty much it for my Stalogy. I'm probably gonna finish it up in about a few months. And if you have any questions, please comment down below. And hopefully I'll have another flip through at the end of January. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again. Aloha!